gas working. I can't see where I'm going. Let's see if I can make it. They didn't. My spark plugs are wet now. Well, I made it off the freeway finally. See if they make it through or not. Turn off everything, because there are other cars coming this way. Their wake will stall me out. I think this was a bad idea. Oh no, don't do that to me, you fucking Peugeot piece of shit! Fucking Peugeots, you fucker! What are you doing, you stupid cunt? Get out of my way, I got no brakes! Ah, here's my main road. Uh-oh. My window is down. Now it's up. Yay. Been having trouble getting to where I live. Let's see how my street is. It shouldn't be flooded, hopefully. Oh yeah, it is. Big time. Shit. Alright, let's go for it, everybody. Made it. Here. And here's my place of work. Oh dearie. There's a big water flow through here. Shit, everything's wet. Vacuum cleaner, battery chargers, everything. Damn. Well, this is my car after trying to get back from Ed's place. As you can see, I've had some water all the way up going in there. That's my heater, you know, air intake. Leaves all over the bonnet from that fucking Peugeot piece of shit. Auto cooler is just packed with shit. But the worst thing is, my headlights are full of water, and these don't work anymore. It is swapping over to high, but these aren't coming on. That might have blown the fuse or something, but you see the water line here, water line there, water line, water line. All sorts of shit jammed in under here. Wonder what it's like under the lid. Don't mind me, my glasses are very fogged up, so I can't really see anything. I'm just pointing the camera in general directions. Oh yeah, it's pretty good. A few leaves and shit jammed through that auto cooler. I'll go get a light, hey? Something interesting's happened here in the carport. The tile's sinking. Interesting. Let's have a look in here. Yeah, that auto cooler's been inundated. I thought the auto started to run a bit weird. It got too cold. What's the radiator like? Yeah, I have to clean that. Wonder why I lost those headlights. One popped fuse. I have to check what that one's for. Thought it was for my fans, but I'll have a look. Yeah, that fuse is for the headlights. I put another one in there and they came on, but I'll have to take them all out now and clean them. Well, I got the headlights out and dried them. Had to rinse them first because I had mud in them. But, let them dry and put it all together. It should be all good. I'm just going to clean it. It's a mess. Isn't that right, Mr. Kitty? This is how much water came down tonight. This was empty when I left home today to go to Ed's place. And I come home and there's quite a few inches of water in there. Like, it's for a full length of the finger, from the knuckle to the end of my finger. This end's even deeper. Yeah. That's a lot of water.